The BYD has unveiled a new technology.
BYD stands for Build Your Dreams. BYD is a high-tech pioneer company.
BYD has unveiled a new technology. BYD stands for Build Your Dreams. BY is a high-tech hire company. This moment didn't arrive by luck. It was earned through sweat, sleepless nights, and relentless innovation. Standing on stage with a quiet fire in his voice, BYD's CEO didn't boast. He simply looked out and said what the world already suspected. We are changing the rules. Behind him, a million-strong workforce and 120 zero engineers had already built the future. One battery, one breakthrough at a time. Now, BYD isn't just making cars, it's building a legacy. A new engine, a new battery, a new brain for driving. This isn't just evolution, it's a revolution. Let's dive into what's really happening. A silent storm in the auto world? A silent storm in the auto world. For years, BYD moved quietly. No flashy marketing, no grandstanding. While others chased headlines, BYD built factories, trained engineers, and perfected its technology. In 2024, that patience erupted into dominance. Over 4.3 million vehicles rolled off their lines, securing their place as the world's top EV manufacturer. But numbers only tell part of the story. What's truly shaking the industry is their fifth-generation DM dual-mode hybrid system. A breakthrough so efficient, so quietly radical that even Tesla took notice. Unveiled in a packed event in Seoul, BYD introduced two models, the Chin LDMI and the Seal 6 DMI. At first glance, they look sleek, modern, and understated. But under the hood is something different. A 1.5L petrol engineered not for speed, but for record-breaking efficiency. It's paired with a powerful electric motor, allowing flexible performance modes from everyday driving to power-P packed highway cruising. But the headline is the range. Over 0 kilometers on a single tank and charge. That's the kind of distance that redefines as what a hybrid can be. While others chase perfection in extremes, BYD found it in balance. And that balance is now rewriting the rules of the road. The what a hybrid can be engine that changed everything. At the core of BYD's fifth-generation DM technology lies an engine that seems almost impossible. A 1.5L petrol engine producing 99 horsepower and 933 lb5s of torque doesn't sound groundbreaking until you see what it does when paired with BYD's electric motor. There are two versions, one with 161 horsepower for efficiency lovers and another with 215 horsepower for those craving extra power. But performance isn't the real shocker here. It's what this hybrid system achieves in efficiency. BYD's engine reaches a thermal efficiency of 46.06%. That number may sound abstract, but here's the reality. It beats Toyota's world record and comes dangerously close to Formula One standards. Most gas engines waste over half their fuel as heat. BYD's system doesn't. It squeezes every drop, achieving over 80 M per gallon, even when the battery runs low. How? Through smart engineering, a 16.1 compression ratio, split cooling systems, precision combustion control, and minimal internal friction. This isn't a concept car trick. It's mass production ready. For the average driver, that means fewer stops at the gas station and a smoother, quieter ride. For the industry, it means the old playbook just got thrown out. Not just efficient, versatile by design. Versatile by design, BYD didn't stop at building a powerful hybrid system. They made sure it could adapt to any lifestyle. That's where the three versions of their DM technology come in. The DMI focuses on fuel efficiency, designed for the everyday commuter who wants to save without sacrificing comfort. The DMP brings in performance, combining electric precision with raw hybrid strength for those who enjoy a more spirited drive. And then there's the DMO, engineered for off-road adventures. Yes, a hybrid built for the dirt, the hills, and the unknown. This versatility is backed by equally smart battery options. Depending on the model, drivers can choose between a 10.08 kilo wheelers or 15.87 kilobars battery pack offering 50 to 75 mi of electric-only range. That means your daily errands, commutes, or even short trips can happen without using a single drop of fuel. But the real shift lies in architecture. Unlike traditional hybrids where the engine takes the lead, BYD's system prioritizes the electric motor. The petrol engine becomes the support act, stepping in only when needed. It's a quiet reshuffling of roles that maximizes efficiency and smoothness. And for drivers, it simply feels right, effortless, clean, and future-ready. Blade battery. The Blade battery, BYD's secret weapon. At the heart of BYD's breakthrough isn't just the engine, it's the battery. The Blade battery isn't a minor tweak in design, but it's not just about packing more power into less space. Safety is where the Blade battery truly shines. In brutal nail penetration tests where most batteries would catch fire or explode, BYD's stayed cool, calm, and unburned. It doesn't rely on nickel, cobalt, or manganese, all of which can cause overheating. Instead, it's based on lithium iron phosphate, a far more stable material. And then there's longevity. After 0 full charge cycles, the Blade battery still holds 90% of its capacity. That means fewer replacements, lower costs, and less waste. It charges faster, resists heat better, and lasts longer, all without sacrificing performance. In short, the Blade battery isn't just safer, it's smarter. It's what happens when battery design catches up with ambition and then races ahead of it. Now, first, like always, be sure to hit the like button down below. It helps us out tremendously with the reach of this video. Thank you. New brain. A new brain for the modern car. Power alone isn't enough. In BYD's vision, a smart car needs a smart brain. And that's where the new Xuanji architecture steps in. Unlike conventional vehicles packed with dozens of scattered control units, Xuanji centralizes everything. Engine, brakes, sensors, cameras, all connected through a lightning-fast core system. The result? Microsecond response times. That's the difference between avoiding an accident and becoming part of one. This unified brain constantly learns through DeepSeek AI. Each BYD car collects data in real time, adjusting braking, improving energy use, and even predicting component failures before they happen. With over 4 million vehicles feeding data daily, the system improves itself faster than any traditional software model. It also adapts to real-world conditions. In heavy rain or poor visibility, Xuanji shifts from relying on cameras to radar and ultrasonic sensors, keeping drivers safe when it matters most. And with over-the-air updates, the system evolves like your smartphone, gaining new features long after purchase. But it's not just about tech for tech's sake. It's about reliability, adaptability, and building trust. With Xuanji, BYD isn't just adding features. They're redefining what it means for a car to think and making that intelligence affordable for everyone. Autonomy driving itself, BYD's leap toward autonomy. While most car makers are still talking about the future of self-driving, BYD is already building it. Their latest system, DiPilot, isn't a concept. It's real, road-tested, and rapidly evolving. Powered by the DeepSeek neural network, DiPilot mimics human-like decision-making. It doesn't just follow rules, it learns, adapts, and anticipates. Whether it's navigating through sudden rain or reacting to an unexpected obstacle, the system responds in milliseconds. The Pilot comes in 3 tiers, to Pilot 100 for entry-level models, 300 for mid-range, and 600 for high-end vehicles. Even cars priced under 10, 0 can now access intelligent features once reserved for luxury brands. We're talking high-speed navigation on autopilot, memory-based automatic parking, and even hands-free driving for over 600 meters on mapped highways. Behind it all are 5 engineers and 7 years of relentless development. BYD's fleet generates 45 million miles of driving data daily, fueling constant refinement. Every car contributes to making the next one smarter. This isn't just an add-on. It's the foundation of a new era in mobility where your car does more than move. It thinks, predicts, and evolves. In BYD's world, autonomy isn't distant. It's already in the driver's seat. Affordability without compromise. What truly sets BYD apart isn't just innovation, it's access. While many automakers unveil groundbreaking tech with luxury price tags, BYD does the opposite. Their goal is simple but bold. Make world-class technology available to everyday drivers. In 2024, they proved it. With vehicles priced 15% lower than Tesla's Mundo 3, BYD isn't chasing a niche. They're building for the masses, and they're not cutting corners. These cars come with cutting-edge hybrid systems, long-range batteries, autonomous driving features, and centralized smart architecture. Even their budget models under 10, 0 offer features unheard of at that price point. That's how BYD sold over 4.3 million vehicles in a single year. Not by hype, but by offering value that's impossible to ignore. While giants like Mercedes-Benz and Ford scale back their EV plans, BYD charges forward. Their hybrid strategy also tackles a key concern: range anxiety. By blending electric motors with ultra-efficient engines, they deliver a 0 kilometers range without sacrificing performance. This isn't a tech showcase for the elite. It's a real shift for real people. BYD is proving that the future of mobility doesn't have to be exclusive. It can be smarter, cleaner, and within reach for everyone. This isn't just about cars. It's about reshaping the road ahead, where technology, efficiency, and intelligence meet in ways we never imagined. BYD's fifth-generation hybrid system, Blade battery, and DiPilot aren't isolated upgrades. They're pieces of a larger puzzle that's coming together fast. With each breakthrough, BYD isn't asking for attention. They're earning it. One innovation at a time. As the world's roads shift toward electrification, one truth becomes clear. The future won't be decided by who started first, but by who moves smartest. And right now, BYD is leading that charge. The question is, can anyone else keep up? Let's wait and see.